Hi and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to merge two Excel files into a single Excel file. So by the end of this video, I should be able to take what I have right here in this Excel file and right here in this Excel file and merge them together like I have right here in this new Excel file. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So I've opened up a new spreadsheet to consolidate my two files over here. And if I go under Data and go to the Data Tools group and select Consolidate, I will see this screen. So the first reference I want to select is my 2024 data over here. And then I'm going to click Add. And then next I'm going to go to my 2023 data right here, and I'm going to select Add again. And then down here, I want to use labels in my left column because that will display the dates I have in column A here and here. And I may also want to check this box right here for create links to source data so that if the source data is changed at all, it will also be changed in my new sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and check that and then say OK. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And now I can see that my data has been carried over into my new spreadsheet. And Excel has hidden some of the rows here, so if I want to see all of them, I can just click on the two over here and I can see which rows were hidden. So if I look a little more closely at my data, I can see my 2023 data is here with 2880, 2266, and 1164, just like I have down here. And then I can see my 2024 data right here with 2300, 6590, and 2370 right here. And then I can see it has all been totaled for me. So there is more than one way to consolidate multiple Excel files into one central file, and we go over that in a lot more detail out on our blog. And I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.